This is Hammer Blade V, and in today's video I will show how you can fix hacked system problems on this device. So I recommend that you start by going into your device's settings, then here enter the security category and check those two things, security update and Google Play system update. So make sure that everything is up to date, check for updates, and if there is a newer version of the software available, make sure to download and install it, since updates and timely updates, actual updates, are closely tied with the phone security state, and usually the point of updates is to fix some security threats. Well, not exclusively, but you get me. And the same goes for the Google Play system update. What you can also do from here is open the Google Play Protect and perform the scan for harmful apps. So this is the built-in Play Store feature that allows your phone to detect harmful apps if there are any, and then terminate them. But usually it does that automatically, so you will not need to do this check regularly, manually on your own. Just, well, it got you covered. What else you can do is to download some third-party antivirus solutions, one of them being Avest. So here's the app that I was talking about. Simply get it installed and use it to run an antivirus scan of your system. If it will spot any harmful or hacked apps, it will help you to terminate them, and to not only apps but any security threats that it will find, since this is the pretty complex antivirus solution that not only covers apps but also other smartphones security vulnerabilities. And the final advice that I have is more of a manual check. I recommend that you go into settings, here find the device administrators list, device admin apps to be exact, and see if any app has this permission, and if it does, sketchy app, this is the very important, very sensitive master permission that gives an app pretty much complete control over your phone and complete access to a lot of important security related things as well. So the only apps that should have this permission are system apps, Google apps, Play Store apps, Hammer apps, proprietary Hammer apps. And if you'll find any sketchy third-party app that has this permission, and what is most important, you do not remember granting this app with such permission, you need to deactivate it, deactivate the permission here, and then enter the apps category of settings, find the app in question, and get it uninstalled. I don't think I have any apps that I can uninstall really, since all the apps on my phone are either Google system or Hammer built-in applications. But the way you uninstall an app, you simply open it here, and instead of those buttons, or instead of the disable button, you'll find the uninstall option. So tap on it and the app will get uninstalled. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.